In this video, I'm going to show you how to flatten a PDF in PDFgear. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Protect tab up top and click on Flatten. Now, what this will do here, it will basically merge all annotations into the content layer. So as you can see here, annotations like comments or whatever you've put on here, those will be flattened and then they cannot be edited anymore. So as you can see, if I kind of click on this, I can basically edit different comments I've added on here, like text boxes, notes, rectangles, whatever. I can still edit them around and I can resize them. I can of course change the contents, etc. But whenever you go to protect and then flatten, you won't be able to do that anymore because of course it's going to kind of merge into the content layer. So you could go all pages, you could only select current pages, or you could do custom page range if you wanna, press OK, and then you'll be able to basically save a copy, which I'm going to save over here into my downloads folder. I'm gonna click on save. It's now flattening, and as you can see, the PDF has been flattened and I actually cannot edit this anymore. I can't do anything with it other than just basically click on it and nothing happens. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.